Welcome to the world of online learning. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial provides its subscribers the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, mathematics and other topics. Today's topic is software requirement engineering. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for continuous support. The next topic, knowledge levels and best practices. There are total 7 levels. In level 0, vision, mission, values. Level 1, business activity. Level 2, activity improvement. Level 3, solution features. Level 4, interaction dialogue. Level 5, solution component. And level 6, development project. What is in level 0 or what is level 0? The vision, mission and values. The vision, mission and values statements form the foundation for all activities in an organization. The vision statement describes what the organization will become in the future. The value statement defines how people in the organization should behave. It provides a guidelines for decision making. Level 1, business activity. Business activities include any activity a business engages in for primary purpose of making profit. This is a general term that encompasses all the economic activities carried out by a company during the course of the business. Level 2, activity improvement. Business improvements encompasses many theories and practices. For example, business process improvement is a systematic approach to help an organization optimize its underlying process and procedures to achieve more efficient results. Level 3, solution features. Activities have goals, ends towards which the activities are directed. Activities operate on the attributes of projects, resulting in state changes. Activities are performed by individuals with roles which have responsibilities and permissions. Activities can be decomposed into tasks which can further decompose into operations. Interaction dialogue. This serves as the boundary between a system and its users. Dialogues reveal solution information models and expose system operations. Operational analysis determines what are the system operations, their inputs, preconditions and results or post conditions. Solution component. Software components are delivered or deliverable units of work, functionality and quality. Components are assembled into subsystems, systems and applications. Components reveal their functionality through interfaces. Some of these includes human interfaces via dialogue. Development projects organize developers and their efforts to construct or evolve software components. If you are having any queries, please write to me. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.